Welcome to Elevate Care Insights. This is Gradle. Today we're going to cover contract finding. It's not a secret. The local government and central government actually wants you to apply for their contracts. The secret is, how do you search for the one that you need, and also what do you do when you find them. So as always, please do like, subscribe and hit the notification button. Okay, so the place that I first go to when I want to find contracts is the government website at contractsfinder.service.gov.uk, and I will do a search. So the search that I will do is we're going to search for supported living schemes. And why do I go here first? Well, I go here first because almost every single local authority will post their contracts here. I put in what I'm searching for and then I add locations, and I keep ticked opportunity, future opportunity and early engagement, or I could undo any of these, but let's put all of those ticked and see what we come up with. Okay, so as you can see, it's come back with 619 contracts in our selected area, and these are for things that are open currently. As you can see, top of this is Supported Living Framework 2020 for Essex County Council, and this opportunity is open with a closing date of the 25th of September, and the contract value is 345,000. It was published on the 31st of July. Let's just click into this and see what's there. Okay. So this has got all of the information, including what type of contract. Let's go back to the search and look at some more. Supported living approved list. Now this is something that you'd want to get on almost immediately, and as you can see, this is open until the 26th of February 2038. So, you know, there's lots of opportunity here for you with your supported living scheme to jump on one of these approved list with Hertfordshire County Council. I'm just going to click on it so you can see what we're talking about. It's an amazing closing date here, published on the 30th of April 2018. So this council has got an ongoing request, and the value of their contract is over 3 million. Okay, so now you're getting a real understanding of the opportunity that is existing for you already with your business. You can start applying for these almost immediately. This one is Tower Hamlets, and they're looking for learning disability residential and supported living spot purchases. And spot purchases we're going to go over in one of the other modules, but that's really essential for you to come over to places like this and find out what this £8 million contract is all about. The closing date for this one is the 14th of September, and the contract started on the contracts will start on the 1st of December with an end date of the 31st of December 2023. Let's look at another one. So this one is with the London Borough of Waltham Forest, and they're looking for supported agreement for supported living services for people with needs arising from learning disability, autism, mental health, physical and sensory disability. And as you can see, the value of their contract is up to £170 million. The closing date is the 16th of September. and they give you lots of information that you can go and find out more about if you click on some of the other links. Let's look at another one. Okay, so this is in Solihull. It's supported living accommodation and day opportunities for adults and older people with learning disabilities. And as you can see, they haven't put a value here, but that doesn't mean anything. What they're doing is that they're looking for interest. It's an open opportunity, and the closing date is the 3rd of March 2024. So I'm just going to click over to another page. Let's see some more opportunities here. Cambridgeshire, Oxfordshire, learning disability support living, Leicestershire, new build short breaks and supported living, and procurement for provision of autism, ADHD, support services with families. That might not be what you're looking for, but there's no harm in just clicking on some of these links and seeing what the request is. Okay, so I'm going to go to the second page, and this one is, let's just click on this. It says Highways England. Okay, so this is not what you're looking for because this is construction. So that it will show you some of the search terms. Supported lodgings for young people in the Wirral. A lot of this is accommodation-based support. So you'll go through these page by page and you look at the ones that interest you. Independent living service, help to live at home. Okay. All right, I hope you found that helpful. The government website is contractsfinder.service.gov.uk, and you go on there and you do a search and you search for the keywords supported living schemes. You could try supported living. And you just go through each of these to see what's suitable for you. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also leave a comment below to let me know how you got on with your contract finding.